gosh, I made it safe. Okay, so welcome to a brand new video. Today's video is gonna be a little bit different because we're gonna be doing an unboxing video. So yes, you guys heard it correct, unboxing video. I have a bag full of boxes and let's see what we get out of them. So like and subscribe. Yeah, and let's just get right into the video. Like and subscribe and let's go. So I do have a bunch of these, I'm gonna say that. I have a lot of these. Hey, that might be hinting at a new video. That's all I'm gonna say, but let me lay all of these out. Like, okay, I'm making sure none of them went anywhere. Oh, okay, I'll save these for later, to unbox later. So, alright, let's unbox the first one. Alright, number one, let's see what we get. Oh, a hook shot. This actually, that's pretty good. I'll keep that. Next, flashbang. Oh, damn! God! I can't see anything. Oh my gosh. Where am I? Let me get back to my camera. Oh, with the wrong way. Oh my gosh. Dang, I shouldn't have shined that in my face. That was bright. Alright. Next one. A lightsaber. Hey, that's pretty good. Oh. I'll save that for later. Alright. This time, we're doing a 2-in-1 combo. Boom! Ooh, Chaos Axe and shotgun ammo. I don't really use shotgun. Alright. Next one. Boom. Oh, a revolver. That's actually pretty good. Keep that on my left. Boom. Oh, shotgun? And I just got shotgun ammo? Hey, okay. Pretty good. 2-in-1 again. Boom. This lightsaber. Pretty cool. I don't know if you can hear the sounds, but that's pretty cool. And another flashbang. I'm not gonna make the same mistake again. Another one. God. Another one. What happened to my camera? Alright, whatever. Here is another one. Oh, another lightsaber. Now, oh. Now I can dual wield. Oh! Hold on. Need to fix my camera. It disappeared for some reason. I want to kind of aim it down. Okay, yeah, that's good. 2-in-1. Oh, 2 melee weapons. Got the needle, and I got the lightsaber again. If you guys are wondering why I keep looking off to the side like that way, is because for me, I'm watching my camera on this side or that way, but my camera's right here. I'll try to look into here. One, boom. Yo, the Viper shotgun, let's go. Now it seems like I'll fart. Oh, I got double jump with that. Alright, last 2 of these. Last 2 of the ones hinting at a new video. Boom. Oh. Ammo for a pistol. And then a hover pad. Why'd I look like that? Okay. Okay, now. Oh. Yeah, I'll leave the stuff over there. Now, time for the other stuff. Bro, this thing went flying. I'm gonna try to set them off to the side. They're too big to put in one place. Ooh. Yeah. Okay, smaller one. Oh my. Okay, I'm just gonna open them before they despawn. Zombie box, my favorite, or zombie crate, my favorite box or crate in the game. Yo, zombie meat! Ah. This is my favorite, one of my favorite items, or my favorite item that you can get from the zombie box, but one of my favorite items. Keep that aside. You know what? Let's do a double. Boom. Yo, zombie meat and this thing, the blood or whatever. Let's go. You know what? Alright. Let's wait for me to turn back to normal. Beep, boop. Alright. I'm gonna grab the other box just in case. So that they don't despawn. These boxes are way too big, but my camera's missing again, but alright. Okay, the shield and the flashbang. Let's see if this works. Yo, it works. Let's go. Alright. Let's do this one. 3, 2, 1. More of this blood type of thing. And then, oh jeez, let's do a double. Okay, I got a Hulk fist, and I got another flashbang. Everything's flying away. All right. Oh, what? That was it? All right. Well, I don't have any more boxes to unbox, but I guess that's gonna be today's video. Just so you guys know, I've been throwing everything back here. I'll go upstairs. All my loot is back here that I've been getting. And then some was flying away, like the Hulk fist. And then this stuff, the lightsabers. Oh, what the? Alright, bro, chill. I'm gonna start putting everything away. Now I'm gonna give this away to a random person to see if they want anything from here. Alright. Alright, let's see if a random person wants this bag filled with randomness that I got from all these crates. All of this stuff's super good. Oh. There's stuff dropping all over the floor. And then you can't put hover pads in backpacks. So I guess I'll take it to someone like this. Third person. Alright, let's go to a public lobby and see who wants this backpack. Oh, I don't like how this thing only lasts a little bit. Alright, let's go.
Oh my.
Oh.
What is this guy trying to Hey.
And if the police kept your task force break
Skeleton, right. I'm right here.
You don't need to
Dude.
tell everyone.
I'll be right back.
Join this lobby. Just join this lobby. We're in a call.
I'm gonna look for people real quick. Yo, does anybody want a backpack full of stuff?
What the? No, it's not for you to be like.
You? Okay, come here. In front of my camera. Alright.
Unreleased.
This-
Does anyone want a heart gun?
This is the person that's gonna be taking the
Anyone
backpack.
want a heart gun? I don't want.
Congratulations.
Does anyone want a heart gun?
Alright, you got all of the stuff already?
Go to
So,
the animal company.
let me go into private really quickly. Or
Does
actually,
anyone want a heart gun? What is that?
Oh, it's my meat, dude.
it's way too loud over there. I can't lie. Alright, hold on. Bro, chill, bro. I'm just trying to record my video. Get mag dumped.
You just instantly teleport to my account.
Alright, well, I hope you guys enjoyed my video for today. Like and subscribe. And
Stop trying to kill me.
give me that. I can't stop recording.